Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. In this vlog I'm gonna take you to Belfast. So we're going to Belfast by bus. We have decided not to go by a car. So it's about 2 hours drive from Dublin by car if you go by car. But we're going to Belfast by bus. So by bus is more better because obviously if you take your car, so it's difficult to find parking and it's expensive as well in a big city like Belfast. So we have decided to go by bus, and by bus is cheaper as well. We have bought 2 tickets, return tickets from Dublin to Belfast, and then obviously from Belfast to back to Dublin, about 60 euros for two person. So it's not that expensive. It's cheaper as compared to if you're traveling by car. And if you're traveling by car, obviously you have to pay for the parking as well, and so that's more expensive. So from here we live near to the airport, so I bought the tickets from the Dublin airport. So we have to catch the bus and we're going to go to the Dublin airport, and it's about only 10 to 15 minutes from our home, so it's better. And I bought the tickets for the Dublin Express. So Dublin Express is a little bit cheaper as compared to the others, and I don't want to take the tickets for the other buses because for that ones you have to go to the Dublin city first and then you can catch the bus. But obviously as we live near to the Dublin airport, so it's more convenient for us. So yeah, it's better for us. So it's like now it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, so our bus is 9:30 from the airport. So we're gonna go, it's gonna 10 to 15 minutes, but still we have to buy something like coffee or snacks, these kind of stuff, and then we're gonna head towards the airport. So it's gonna take about 1 hour 45 minutes by bus, and yeah, it's gonna be a nice journey. So I'm gonna show you Belfast. Basically Belfast is in Northern Ireland, and Northern Ireland, it was the part of the it's the part of the UK, but the whole island, the South Island and the Northern Ireland, it was one island before. But basically in 1921 they got separated, and the Northern Ireland stayed with the UK and the South Island becoming independent country. So we're living in the South Island. It's called the Republic of Ireland. It's an independent country, and the Northern Ireland is still in the UK. So both Ireland, they were the one country before, and they were the part of the UK, but now only Northern Ireland is the part of the UK, and Republic of Ireland is an independent country. So we're going there by bus. So it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice, fun, because they have nice beautiful places to see, like Queen's University, and like Ulster Museum, and these kind of places. So we're gonna see what we're gonna see there. So just let's go with me and I'm gonna show you Belfast. Alright guys, so we are here now. We're waiting for a bus. I think this one is our bus to Belfast, 785. Alright guys, so we are in Northern Ireland now. So we will be in Belfast in about 20 minutes. So you can see the cars as well, they have different number plates. So that means we are in the UK now. Alright guys, so we are at the Grand Central station now. They have bus stop here as well, and I think train station as well. So now we are moving towards Belfast City Hall. So I think it's about 5 to 10 minutes walk from here. Let's go then. So this is the Belfast City Hall, guys, and it was built in 1906, and I think it's the heart of the Belfast city, and it's still very recognizable and famous landmark. So we're gonna go inside, and hopefully they have free guided tour, and I'm gonna show you inside the Belfast City Hall. And I think this is the statue of Princess Victoria. As you can see the name here. Alright, let's go inside. We have just got our guided tour of Belfast City Hall, and now we are moving towards St. George Market. So it's about, I think, 10 to 12 minutes from Belfast City Hall. It's a really nice place, really nice market, really famous in the Belfast. So we're gonna have a look. They have food places, restaurants. So let's see.
Yeah, this place,
Guys, this is the Queen's University of Belfast. This is the oldest university in UK and Ireland, and obviously this is the most iconic building in the Belfast. I think it was founded in 1845. So really beautiful and really old building, as you can see. Now we are inside the Ulster Museum. So we're gonna see what they have, spend a little bit of time here, and then gonna go back. They have botanic gardens as well, along with the museum. So we're gonna have a look at that one as well. So let's see what they have.
Come on, Belfast. Wait, keep going. Everybody clap. Yes. For explaining the station, what you've been absolutely amazing. One foot is going to go over your heads. Come on, Belfast. It is crazy.
All right, guys, so we're back to Dublin now. It was a nice one-day trip to Belfast. We've been to some nice places, Belfast City Hall, St. George Market, Queen's University, and in the end, Ulster Museum. So it was a nice one-day trip, but we didn't go to the Titanic Museum. I really wanted to go there, but for that, we needed like 3 to 4 hours, but we didn't have too much time because we went by bus and we're coming by bus as well. So that's a different story. If you go by your car, then yeah, you can visit obviously 4 or 5 places as well, but we didn't have too much time. So that's why we thought that it's better to leave this Titanic Museum tour this time, and next time we're gonna go to the Titanic Museum. So but it was a nice one-day trip overall. So I'm gonna show you Titanic Museum when we go to the Belfast next time, and stay tuned with me because one more vlog is coming, and that's gonna be my tour to Barcelona, hopefully. So stay tuned with me. I'm gonna see you in the next vlog. Thank you very much, guys, and just subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you very much.